Hey everyone, it's Sensei Ivarone, and this is Cooking with Sensei. Today we're going to be doing a meatless quiche. It's going to have cheese, eggs, and lots of veggies. So I think it's going to be pretty awesome. And we're using an awesome pie crust with the brand Holy Wholesome. It's so good that I use it for their pizza crusts, but I actually haven't tried the pie crust, so it's going to be an experiment for all of us. First thing we want to do is cut all the veggies, mix them together. Those are going to be the first thing that go into our little quiche here. All right, so we're going to chop it up. Now these are going to be baking. Right now, while we're doing this, preset your oven to 375. All right, I think that's pretty good. We're going to put it in our bowl for now, off to the side. Pepper. So what we want to do is not have any of the seeds get involved. So we're going to keep this intact, and we're going to just kind of, let's see, cut it from, we'll cut it from here. All right, and then we'll kind of cut along the outside. So now you got everything left intact. And if there are a few seeds that are still in there, just throw them out. This is kind of like a great dinner or even a breakfast on a Sunday. Look at all that come together well. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to cut it in half. Okay. And then we're going to cut off the end, and we're going to split it there. I'm going to peel it back, the skin. Let's find your way in. Okay, we'll do that one after. So if I peel it back and I keep the root on it, it's easy holding. All right, so we're just going to give it a nice slice there, and then we're going to cut it without going all the way to the end. Okay, so you kind of already have it set up for you, and all you have to do is chop, chop, chop. I'm sure this doesn't only happen to me. Okay, let's get that in there. Okay, so that's pretty good. All right, we need to mix now the eggs and the milk. We're gonna put it all together in here so we get a nice consistency. Here's our KitchenAid mixer. We got 1 cup of milk, 5 eggs. 1. Give it a nice whip. While that's mixing, get a fork, and you're gonna just poke some holes in the crust. We're about to put it all together. This is the last part before you pop it in the oven, and when it comes out, it'll be ready to go, and that goodness will all come together. So we got our whole wheat pie crust. First thing you wanna do is layer it with the vegetables. We're gonna use some cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that cheese all over it. All right, and now we're going to pour some of our whipped eggs. We got 5 eggs and milk. A couple of pinches of salt. A little bit of pepper. Our oven is preheated to 375. We're going to put it in for 45 minutes, and then we're going to go check on it. If it does need a little bit longer, no problem, just leave it in for another 5 or 10 minutes. We are ready to take out our quiche. It's gonna be amazing. I can never get it out. Look at that, beautiful. Till next time, stay tuned for Cooking with Sensei. If you wanna see more of stuff like this, let me know, comment, ask a question, whatever. See you soon.